One may be a Radharaman Acharya, one may be a Goswami, so many gurus, and they'll all tell you. They won't tell you, don't read any books, don't read any songs, don't read any books by our Radharaman Brahmins. Don't read our songbook. Don't read. If you get the Radharaman songbook, it's translated in English by Vaishnav Chandan, very beautiful. And then I forget his name, but whoever compiled those songs about the different lilas of Radharamanji, then he becomes your Shiksha Guru. But it's Bhakti Anukulya, because he's teaching about worshipping the personality of Godhead, Radharaman. Because Vaishnav Chandan gave me this songbook, and it's very beautiful. Song all about different times of the year they sing these different songs for Radharaman. The Hindi is there, and then English. You have that one? Or maybe you gave it to me. Shiksha Gurus. Like, you ever, some missions, they always quote the Shiksha Guru. So-and-so said. You ever heard this phrase? So-and-so said 50 years ago. So-and-so hasn't been on the planet since 30 years or so. So new devotees are coming, they're 20, 30 years old, they're quoting the Shiksha Guru, right? Like when Prabhupada was here, he wrote in one letter, we must study the books of 6 Goswami. So he's ordering everybody to take 6 more Shiksha Gurus. And Prabhupada was very learned and very advanced, Param Purush Vaishnava. But he's telling us, I read the Bhagavatam every day. So then Shukadev's our guru, and Shonaka Rishi and Sutta Goswami's our guru. And Prabhupada, so many classes in the 7th canto. Prahlad Charitra. Komarat Acharat Pragyo Dharman Bhagavatamaya. This is the preaching, this is the Shiksha of Bhakta Prahlad. He's our Shiksha Guru. The more Shiksha Gurus you have, the better you'll be. Okay?
Then what your word?
No, if you don't have a Diksha Guru, many gurus means no guru. Like, just like so many people, they say, they don't have any guru, they're just doing Bhakti Bhajan. And they read many books, and they say, oh, Prabhupada's my guru, right? So that's many gurus but no guru. Because everywhere is told, Atma Samarpan, you have to surrender it, and then you have to, Lord Chaitanya is telling, Antya-lila, 3rd chapter of Chaitanya Charitamrita, everywhere is telling. Krishna is telling in 4th chapter of Gita, verse 34, surrender at the feet of Guru, Guru Padashraya, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Take shelter. It doesn't say, it says Guru, singular. Singular. Put your head at the feet of one Guru. And it says Diksha Kale Atma Samarpan. So we have one Atma, and we surrender it to the feet of one Guru. So many gurus, no guru, that's what I mean. You surrender your head to one Diksha Guru. And those purports, if you look at them, and if you have a guru that's a Bhakti Guru, from the one Bhakti Guru, the Diksha Guru, you can get everything without any other guru. How many people are in some missions, they say, my guru is everything. Whatever he says, that's what I follow. I don't read any other books. I just follow. That's perfect. What is wrong with that? So they have one guru.
But in this case, we should confirm all the information which we receive via Guru Bhakti, Guru, Shastra and Sadhu. So in that case, if the devotee just dedicated to one Guru, but this Guru speak not the truth,
then he's not Guru. The Guru is not speaking the truth then.
What kind of perfect is that?
Excuse me?
So if it's perfect,
one should not be a guru unless whatever he speaks, he may not know that it's an ocean of unlimited knowledge. No guru knows everything, because the subject matter is Krishna. And every minute Krishna has a new feature and a new aspect. So Krishna is unlimited. But whatever the guru speaks, it should have the backing and support of Shastra. The guru should always speak according to Shastra. The Shabda Brahman is the prima facie. Shabda Brahman means the Shastra. It's called Shabda Brahman. Brahman means spiritual sound vibration of the Shastra. Upanishads. and the Gita. This is Shabda Brahman. So the Guru should speak Shabda Brahman. He may talk, this joke, this, that. Okay, that's just to keep people awake. But whenever he speaks, the Shabda, it must be the truth based on Shastra. Not, I feel, I say like this. I've heard and seen many gurus, they don't quote any Shastra, they just speak, and everyone's supposed to just say, well, you're the Guru, I guess what you say is true. And this is not the way we're trained. This is not the way that A.C. Bhaktivedanta trained his disciples, or the way he spoke. He always spoke quoting Shastra. And he instructed his disciples repeatedly, you must speak like a lawyer and quote the Shastra. So if the Guru is not speaking according to Shastra, then you keep a distance, you pay respects, keep a distance, and you'll hear from a Guru that's speaking the Shastra. But according to Jiva Goswami, that Guru that you accept for Shiksha should be approved by the Diksha Guru. So then you have to go to the Diksha Guru and get his approval, that I want to hear from so-and-so, and he'll say, why? He said, because, and then you have to tell him that I have all respect for you, and I received Diksha, I have no problem, I love you very much, but many of the things you say, I can't seem to trace out in Shastra. So I like to hear from this other teacher, so please may I have your permission. If he says no, then you have to think about what to do. Because that is, if he's speaking apasadanta, or not speaking according to, he's just making things up, or not speaking according to Shastra, and he won't allow the disciple to accept that Shiksha Guru does speak according to Shastra, then that's a cause for rejection of that Guru. It says one of the causes for rejection of the Guru, but rejection, there's different ways to reject the Guru. I reject you, you're speaking all bogus. No, another way is you keep a distance. You understand? You hear from the Shiksha Guru. Or if one has whole doubt, then if doubts become about the faith in the Guru, then one may take another Guru, and then many Gurus, and Diksha again, and so many things. It's very individual, and it's a choice, and this type of choice is all up to the individual, and it's between him and Bhagavan and Krishna and his Guru. It's very deep subject matter. But the basic point of the Guru is speaking Shastra, that must be there. What is the Guru's strength? The Guru's strength is his parampara. He comes from a parampara of Gurus that spoke according to the Shastra, and he's trained by the Guru to speak according to Shastra. Is it not? Prabhupada trained us like that. All the senior devotees of Prabhupada, I would hope to believe, that they speak according to Shastra. I don't know, I don't listen to their talks, and I'm pretty much on my own. I don't have much, but I would assume that they're all being serious gurus and senior devotees of Srila Prabhupada, that they're speaking according to the teachings of the Shastras that Prabhupada gave us, Isopanishad and Chaitanya Charitamrita and Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu and the Srimad Bhagavatam. We have plenty of Shastra. Okay? I'm a guru now, I can just say anything and disciples have to swallow it. Because without mentioning names, of course, we don't do that, but I know there's some very prominent guru, and sometimes his disciples quote things he says, and they accept that and they follow that. Or even the father of that guru will tell us things. Oh, Guru Maharaj said like this and that. And I said, okay, I that's for you, that's nice, but I've never seen that anywhere in Shastra. I don't really, personally, I don't accept that. I tell them right on their face. I say, that's great for you, you follow that, but don't tell me these things, because it's not anywhere. You won't find this in Shastra. So many disciples, they don't care about Shastra. They just assume that the Guru knows Shastra, and whatever he says is Shastra and truth. And the Guru said it, then that's good enough for me. So that kind of blind faith also has its value. But it's not the ideal way to be a disciple, and certainly not the ideal way to be a guru.